Anas? 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 Anas?
मुस्तफा भी कॉल किया होगा आपको शो अपार्टमेंट के कमर आपको भेजा
Okay. This is still under construction, I think, right? The lobby?
कितना जल्दी होगा ये वाला हैंडओवर है ना ये परमिशन
अभी जी तो सी की है जिसके पास ना को 25-30 होम के पास 30 होम लगा रहा है ना वर्साची इधर ही JVC में
ये 30 होम का ओनर कौन है
30 होम का वो क्या नाम है उसका
Okay, so we're here on the roof.
नाम मुझे देन से
so here on the roof
So the pool is on the roof, Anas? This is the pool up here.
yeah
Oh, very nice. This will be the gym. Oh, okay. Covered gym, obviously, right?
एयर कंडीशन ये जिम का है
अभी बनाएंगे
आई थिंक स्ट्रक्चर वो जो
ओपन जिम होगा नहीं ग्लास भी नहीं ये ओपन जिम होगा जो आजकल नहीं ट्रेंड चला हुआ कम्युनिटी जैसे ही मार कर रहा है कि सारी
We can go up, right, Anas? We can go up the stairs, can we?
yeah you can
Oh, can we? Just want to show them.
लाइट तो है नहीं शो अपार्टमेंट में तो लाइट
Okay, so you can see. Wow, the view is amazing, little boy. If you want to come up and see it. Wow. So this is the pool. It's a little bit dark, and they have the shower stalls, but the view is amazing. You can see all of JVC from here. There's Dubai Marina over there. There's Burj Al Arab over there.
बुर्ज खलीफा भी लिखा है
Burj Khalifa, oh yeah, Burj Khalifa you can see as well. What a view. And this is the pool.
हाँ मेरे दिन में भी नहीं आ रहा
Okay guys, so we're going to take a look at one of the show apartments here in Empire Residences. And let me flip the camera to show you guys. You can see the finishes from outside. Beautiful, beautiful building. And let's start with the flooring. Amazing flooring. If you look up here, you can see very good quality finishing here. And here as well. It's like a stucco finish. Wow. So this looks like it's a 1-bedroom unit. You can see over here you got your little kitchen area with your laundry. Looks like they have the built-in appliances as well. This is probably your fridge. Yep, completely built in. With freezer. Everything is built in, beautiful. You can see the cabinetry, sorry. This looks like your main washroom, your communal washroom, 2-piece washroom. You can see the tile work here, very good. Nice sink, big mirror, and the washroom, toilet over here. Very good finishes.
हो सकता था मैंने तो फिर मैं भी लग गया ना ये मार खरीदो फलाना करो ढिकाना करो ये करो वो करो
Here's the bedroom.
मैं भी अभी आके सोचता हूँ कि मुझे जो है ना अब वो प्रॉपर ग्रुप के साथ जो यूके वाले ना लड़के उनके साथ मिलके वही करो
Very cool lighting. Okay, to the right here you have your washroom with a sink. Look at the cabinetry. Tiling. And then you got your shower here. Here's the master bedroom. They built you a little bit of ledge there to store your stuff, makeup counter maybe. And you can mount a TV here. Here's the cabinetry over here. Okay, and you can see this is what your balcony would essentially look like. Now you can get a different view. This one is facing the building right across, but you can see the size of the balcony is more than adequate. You can see there's a few seats here, a little table. It's a very good sized balcony.